Dollar Tree has out their Christmas. Let's go see what they got. So I know I want to get some of this to put on my mantle. I don't know. I've been saying I want to get red. I like that one. And I like the little gnome one. I'm not going to buy nothing this trip because I want to wait and go to Walmart first. Got some bells. These are plastic. There's nothing in the bells. Definitely want to get a bow for my door. Let's see if there's something in there. Nope, nothing in those. Some mats. Those are cute. You can put those around the tree. Set the tree on those. Uh-oh. Oh, mantle decor. More mantle decor. Y'all, go outdoors and grab these. You can, you know. At least in Georgia we can. Oh, I love bells. Oh, I love it. I think I might... I'm thinking of getting something to put outside, but when it gets wet, you know, that's it for that. Some ice fringe, icicle fringe, window cleans. I know the DIY, the Dollar Tree DIY girlies are going crazy with this one. I gotta get on there and see what's going on. Plenty of decor. Oh, y'all know there's the gingerbread. And he is so cute. Look at him. I think this is my favorite though. Simply because it's a different texture. I like that one. Oh, and I love this snowflake thing. This is why I don't buy when I first come in here, because I don't even know where I would put it, but I do love it. And the little pieces of peppermint are cute. Even the little soldier guy. Everything's always so pretty. Love these. I put these on my kitchen counter, but I don't need it. I don't need it. You don't need it, Charlotte. You don't need it, girl. Oh, LED ornaments. Oh, cute. Say one pack? Yes, one each. Okay. So those are one each. Okay. I need that one for my door. It's pretty red. I love it sparkling. So much. That's why I look first and then come back and buy, because I would buy too much. That's a cute little door hanger. Oh, they got some more of the door hangers, and I like the elf thing. What is this? What's the projector? Cute. So cute. Let's see. Some more garland. Well, they'll put more out, or they're maybe just putting it out. I don't know. I need those. I don't even know why, but I need them. DIY ornaments. Oh, look at the plushies. Look at the plushie. Ain't he cute? Let's see, they got roof. What is this one? Oh, they got a cute little Santa. These make me think of Squishmallows. I like that skirt for the tree. It's tulle. I think that would make a nice tree skirt. And a little scarf. Oh, with bells on it. I love bells. Got the ears. Kids are probably gonna need those for school. You know, they got a bunch of dress-up days. At least my kids do. Always got a bunch of dress-up days. Crazy sock day. This one don't light up. Necktie. Okay, what is this? What is this? Light and sound snowman. We got Santa. Little plastic bottles with the jars with the tops on them. Do a lot with those. Got some cookie boxes, 2-piece cookie boxes, chair covers. Are you guys hosting Christmas at your house or going out of town? Like, what are your Christmas plans? Of course, they got the ear, I mean the nose. The nose, not the ear. Fabric gift bags. I wonder how big. These are, okay, little small bags. I love the gingerbread. Again, gingerbread treat bags. Make stuff for the kids. Put together some little bags. Let's see what these are. These are plastic holiday cheer. Do y'all do stuff with your friends for Christmas? I want to do something with my friends for Christmas this year. Of course, they got all the yard signs and the hanging signs. They got these candles. I'm a little crazy candle lady. Taper candles. I need some of those, but she sure wait. Oh, they got, you can make the make your own snow globe. These are cute. Oh, and you can make the kind, you know, that you put on a tree. Speaking of the trees, they got these cute little trees right here. There's a lot that you could do with those. You could like get a bigger jar and you could like put these in there with some snow, of course, and make your own, because this is cute. I love the green and the red, and then the snow covered one is cute too. Now, I've seen y'all crazy women at Hobby Lobby buying up garland. Just because y'all seen it on TikTok, I'm going to need you to stop. You can come here to Dollar Tree and get this 18-inch wreath. You can make it as full as you want. You can spray paint it with snow and do all kind of stuff to it. Oh, look. Measure tube. Again, I'm sure the Dollar Tree DIY girlies are doing some crazy stuff with that. I like coming to Dollar Tree to get ribbon too. And make bows and stuff for the kids. Oh, I love your costume. Oh, look at these lights. I like the bulb looking lights. And what are these? Oh, this is another light set too. So yeah, y'all, there's a lot more cuter stuff than the daggum garland y'all paying too much for at Hobby Lobby. Y'all be ridiculous. But anyway, I love these. I like these a lot better. I think I'm gonna decorate my mantle with a couple of these. And this is $5. Oh my goodness. Look. Y'all, I love Rudolph all the way. A Christmas countdown thing. So cute. And this one's $5. Let's see what this up here is, y'all. Attention Santa, the children in this house. I don't know why this make me laugh so bad. Attention Santa, the children in this house have been very. Pack your sleigh accordingly. This is hilarious. I don't know why. This just tickles me. $5 is really a good price for these. They run off AAA batteries. I think it's cheaper because I think the other one is like $20. I think the one I saw at Walmart and Hobby Lobby is like $20. So $5. No way. Is it 5? Yeah, I think this one's 5. That's a good price for these. I need that sign. I think I'm gonna come back and get that sign too. I'm making my list before I buy stuff. I make my list and then I come back because otherwise I'll have a cart full of stuff and nowhere to put it. But fa la 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 la, that is definitely my favorite sign. They got these 2-tiered trays. Those are $5. I like stuff like this because you can use it after Christmas. Oh, days until Christmas. This is $5 for the snowman one. They got a Santa one. My favorite one is the Rudolph one that I showed you guys. Oh my goodness, look at the pet pajamas. I like that stocking. It's unique and different. I love that white one. And those are only $3. I'm definitely getting that. I might get that white one today just because I really like that. That's giving luxury. Of course, they got their light up trees, the brush trees for $5. And they got the 4-foot candy canes. And they got some inflatables. $5. You can't beat that. $5 Cookie Monster inflatable. This looks really nice. Glittery. $5 for that one. Look, y'all. What do y'all do with those? Are those door standing characters? They almost think door stops. This is a nice thing that I feel like would make a nice craft, like to make on your own, those doors. Well, these are, they're only $5 here though, so it would be cheaper than a DIY. I like those. Noel, Mary, Joy. I wish, I'm gonna put something on this one that says Christmas at the bottom and hang that one on our inside door. And they got the Christmas tree farm signs. Those are $5. Compared to Hobby Lobby, the prices here at Dollar Tree, of course, are a lot less, and I feel like more worth it. Definitely closer to my budget. Home for the holidays. Do y'all get a lot of signs to hang up in the house? I don't know why I want to do this, but I really want to decorate a lot. And of course, they got the $5 tree at Dollar Tree. Every year, the DIY girlies do amazing stuff with that. What are we calling these? The ball garlands. Again, something else I feel like would make a really fun DIY project, like maybe like a girls' night where y'all do like Christmas crafts. $5 for that is a great price. Again, cheaper than if you DIY it yourself, maybe. There's some mesh tubing over there that I showed you guys earlier, so you probably could use that to make your own. Merry. I like this. Merry everything. I like this one, and I like that fa la 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 la. Home sweet gnome. Y'all know the gnomies are out for every holiday. That welcome sign, that one looks nice. Let's go see what else we can find for Christmas. What other DIY stuff we could do for Christmas? I don't know. My mind is spinning, but something Christmas with those. Maybe a tree. Some sort of tree. And they got the stockings. These ones are $1.25 because there's no price on them. So I'm assuming those are $1.25. May your holidays be furry and bright. I've seen some more Christmas stuff. Oh, look at the cute mug. It's cute. I love snowman. And gingerbread. I think snowman's my favorite though. Baking spirits bright. Oh, another snowman. Oh, look. That might be my favorite mug though. And they got a snowman one and a gnome one. I think the gnome one is my favorite. And then of course they got a Santa one. Happy holidays. I've been naughty, but I've also been nice. Make my list and check it twice. That's big freedom. Every Friday, me and my kids dance to Make It Jingle. That's my Friday workout in the evening times. Make it jingle. That big freedom. Now this is recyclable gift wrap. 37.5 square feet for the gift wrap. 37.5 square feet is how much is on these wraps at the gift wrap at Dollar Tree. Lord Jesus, help me get my words out. Then they got gift boxes. Do y'all wrap presents? Do you do gift boxes, bags? What do y'all do? I've been saying for the past 5 years I want to learn how to gift wrap, and I really do want to learn how to gift wrap. I want to have a gift wrapping party, a TikTok gift wrap party. We all just sit around and wrap our gifts. Look, they got some Rudolph paper. I love Rudolph. They got Buddy the Elf. They got Grinch. They got Nightmare Before Christmas. And it's $1.25 for 25 square feet for these Disney ones. And I'm saying that for my own purposes, so I can go to Walmart and compare to see if it's more on there and also how much it is. And I love Charlie Brown, so they got the Charlie Brown gift wrap too. And of course, other Christmas characters as well. My baby needs that cup. Look at this Stitch cup. It's so cute. Sweet thing. The table runners. How much are these? Are these $1.25? They're really thin. But if you're gonna have a table runner, and it's one you can use after Christmas too, they got the red, the white, and the green ones for $1.25, and they are 12 inches by 72 inches. Grab it before it's gone. I guess this stuff is used for the doll houses, for the hobby doll houses. I guess that's what that's for. But they got a ton of more Christmas stuff. I'm gonna come back in here. I didn't want to make just one long video because I'll be in here all holiday season. Oh, look at the gnome stockings. DIY stocking, I love that. But we'll be back in here, y'all. So y'all make sure to subscribe and follow me for more.